And restaurant.
It's Hasmin
Asmin.
Beach Resort and restaurant. Yung restaurant nila ay yan. Diyan yung restaurant nila. Okay. Ito yung resort. Careful! Ito yung ano nila. Reeds. Oh my. Parang ang lalim ng dagat. Ang init, guys. Ang init. Anak, it's super hot here. It's very hot. Okay, what will you say? So keep on talking while you're showing.
This is the small one.
And guys,
Even though you can.
napakainit dito. So mamaya na kami maliligo. Okay, balik na tayo. Napakainit. Okay, hello guys. Ayan. Mamaya na kami maliligo.
Oh, it's okay.
Kasi masyado pang mainit
I will show you.
dito. Dati doon, oh, wala pa yan dati nung pumunta kami dito before. Come here na, anak. It's too hot.
What?